How to add a tracking account in YNAB. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just add a tracking account in YNAB in just few steps. So let's get started. Here, first of all, you have to be logged in YNAB. And once you're here, you have to click on add account, right? You can say in the left side. So once I click on here, there is a two option linked and unlinked. You have to tap on unlinked. Once you're here, you can just give a nickname. For example, it is for my car. So I will just write here car, and then it will ask you what type of account are you adding. So I will just click on this, and you can just write, for example, what about the option. Already for it's a debt, so I'll just click on other debt. And here, for example, if you don't want to do it, you can just go to the bottom, and here in the tracking account, especially for who are looking for this video, you have to just go to the tracking account which is in the bottom, and here you have to select whether it's asset or liability, right? So here for me it's a liability, and I will just change my, yeah, once I select here. So what is your current account balance? I will just write here, for example, this is just an example, right? So I'll just write here, and I will just click on next. It will take just few seconds, and here you can see success add transaction on the web in our mobile app too. So I'll just click on done, and once I click on done, you can see a tracking. Here it's a bike and car, and here it's a liability, and this was for the asset, right? So here you can see in the car option, this is my starting balance, and I can just add my other transaction, the outflow and inflow, whether it's an asset or liability. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful.